Hey guys, I have a few tips for you on how to use your keyboard to assist you while you're using Adobe Illustrator and the pen tool. And I think this keyboard combination is going to help you as you get to learning the tool layout. So let me share my screen and show you what I mean. So when I'm talking about using an Apple keyboard versus a Windows keyboard, there are a couple subtle differences to pay attention to. On the Mac keyboard, you've got Command, Option, and Shift. And then on the Windows keyboard, you've got Control, Alt, and Shift. So when I say Command in Windows, that means Control. When I say Option in Windows, that means Alt. So typically, I'm right-handed, so I'm using my mouse with my right hand, and my left hand is resting on my keyboard on those keys right there on Command, Option, and Shift, and sometimes the space bar. So when you're drawing with the pen tool, what happens is while you use your mouse and press with the mouse button, changing the key that you're pressing on the keyboard alters the tool slightly and it makes it a little easier to operate. So, for example, if I'm just drawing and clicking along, no problem. It's just going to continue until I stop. But if I want to go back and modify one of these points that I've drawn without letting go of the attachment, if I temporarily press Command, my mouse turns into the direct selection arrow, which allows me to move that point. And then when I let go of the mouse, I'm sorry, when I let go of the key, I'm able to continue drawing, having moved that point, right? So without having to change tools and go up to my toolbar and select direct selection or selection, I just temporarily press Command. That gives me control over that anchor point, and then I can continue drawing without losing my place. So that's really helpful. Another thing that can happen while you're drawing with the pen tool is maybe you need to move the page a little bit. So I'm drawing along here and I'm to the end. I need to give myself a little more room. Without letting go of the mouse, without letting go of the pen tool, I can temporarily press the space bar, slide my page, and continue drawing, and it doesn't let go of my previous anchor point. Shift, what does Shift do? It creates straight lines as I draw when I'm clicking around. So I'm just temporarily pressing Shift and I get a straight line, right? What does Option do? Well, this is where it gets a little more interesting. If I press Option, my tool temporarily changes into the uh, Convert Anchor tool. So what does that do? Well, that allows me to go to an existing anchor point, draw out a curve anchor. When I let go, I return to the pen tool and I'm able to continue drawing. So I can temporarily move an anchor point, move a handlebar, redraw, reposition, just using that option, or again for Windows users, Alt. It allows me to continue drawing without letting go. So this is a really handy operation because without being able to do that, a lot of times you've got to stop, hunt and peck for the tool, go back, adjust, so on, without having to do any of those separate pieces. So another thing that's handy is if I'm drawing shapes and I have those same tools available to me, if I press uh, Option, I can draw a shape from the middle of the shape. If I press Shift, it forces that object to be proportional. So there are other subtle things that happen when you're drawing, when you're creating objects, just pressing those little keys on your toolbar. And then again, like I said, slide around, hold the space bar, slide your space, and continue working. So get comfortable, memorize those keys, get used to pressing them down on your keyboard without looking at them, and they will save you a lot of time, make it a lot easier to navigate if you press those while you're working. So hope that tip is helpful. Also, if you're interested in learning Adobe Illustrator, I have a free PDF guide for you that explains the different tools that are available. So check the link, download it, and happy drawing.